Hi, Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs here to talk about Dixie Belle's No Paint Gel Stain. It's one of my favorite stains to use. It is their oil-based stain, and I'm going to be showing you each one of the colors. And it comes in a metal tin like this, and like this is different than the Voodoo Gel Stain, which is their water-based. This is No Paint Gel Stain, which is the oil-based. It is highly pigmented and very easy to use, and I'm going to demonstrate some of the colors and how easy it is to use it. Okay, so first thing, you're going to open your container. And you want to stir it before you use it. Get all of the pigmentation and all the ingredients all mixed together. It is the consistency of a very thin pudding. And it is a gel, so it's oil based. But this one right here is one of the new colors. It's called Picklin' White. It's beautiful for doing shiplap or getting that whitewash look, or staining your wood and just being able to see the stain, your grains through it, but have that whitewashed look. Okay, so this is the Picklin' White. So you stir it up first, and my preferred use as far as applicators is the Dixie Belle applicator pad. This is how I apply my gel stain. And what you do, you dip your pad into your gel stain, and I'm gonna show you all the different colors on this board. And it's easy as this. You just apply it on, going in the direction of the grain. This is raw wood. Okay. You wipe it on. See how gorgeous and white that is? And then if you want it, and very thin coats. You're not gonna apply it on heavy. If you get it on too heavy, take a clean part of your pad and wipe it back. You can wipe it back as much as you need or as much as you want to see your grain through your wood. And I did lightly sand this wood first, but there you go, a nice whitewash look. That is the Picklin' White. Okay, and the next color I want to show you is their Weathered Gray. Isn't that a gorgeous color? Weathered Gray. And I'm gonna get a new applicator pad. Dip it in there, there you go. And apply it the same way. And I'm working it, you can do this over a painted surface, you can do this over a factory finish, which I'm gonna show you in just a minute. You can layer these colors, so you can mix the white with the gray and change colors. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? And like I said, if I got it too heavy, I just take a clean pad and wipe it back so I can see the grain through there. So that's a beautiful gray stain. Okay, go to my next color. Okay, my next color is Espresso, which is a very deep chocolatey brown. It's a darker brown. And grab a new pad. Okay, and I'm gonna put it on the next board here. This is like one of the really popular colors. This is my go-to when it comes to redoing the top of a dresser, or working with raw wood, even over a factory finish to give it an updated look. The Espresso is one of my favorites. Okay, there's the Espresso. See how deep, dark, and rich that is? It has a little bit of, it seems to me like a burgundy undertone. Okay, put it on in thin layers, and if you have too much on, you can wipe it back. Making sure you're streak free, look at streak free. And you get to layer this. So if I want to make it darker, I can layer this. You can add, let it dry. Recommended is 6 hours. You can let it dry, and then you can add a second coat to deepen the look. But you can make it as deep as you want just by adding more coats. Just wait 6 hours between coats. Okay, Colonial Black, and the Colonial Black, I'll do that one. It's pretty close to the Espresso, but it's definitely darker. This time I'm using, this is the Colonial Black. And you don't see very many black stains out there. This is gorgeous to get that dark, rich, black finish on the top of a piece. Okay. This is one of the new colors. So I'm using my pad. The pads make it easy to get a nice, uniform, smooth finish without any streaks. Okay, there's the black. So you can see the espresso next to the black. The black is just slightly darker, but you can, like I said, you can wipe it back to lighten it up, to be able to see the grain through. See at the top, you can see the grain through it. So if you wipe it back, you can see the grain through it. You can wait 6 hours, like I said, add a second coat and make it a deep, rich black. Okay, and the other colors that we have are, this is Georgia Cherry. So this is nice if you're updating a piece that has scratches and it's already cherry and you just want to touch it up a little bit. The Georgia Cherry is beautiful. And the other color that I have is Walnut. Now walnut is a light color and it's also one of the popular colors. See that right there? That is the no paint gel stain in walnut. Okay, so I showed you on raw wood how easy it goes on using the applicator pad and how streak free, you can look in the light, how streak free. It's an easy way to update a piece. Now let me show you on a factory finish. Okay, I'm gonna show you on the top part of this board. This is a drawer. It's got some nicks, it's got some damage in it. All I've done is clean it. And I'm gonna show you how quick and easy it is to give it an update using the no paint gel stain. Find a clean pad. Okay. Now when working on a factory finish, I have a full tutorial on Dixie Belle's YouTube channel. You wanna apply in thin coats. I'm gonna stop it right here so you'll be able to see the halfway point. I'm gonna show you how quick and easy it is to update a factory finish. I'm going over it to remove any excess. Now usually over factory finish you do very, very thin coats. So I'm kind of wiping it back now a little bit. I don't want too much on here. There we go. There's my stopping point so you'll be able to see it. So what I would do now is I would let this dry and I'm going to turn it so the light's not hitting it so much. See from here to there, it's going to dry deep and dark and rich. So what I would do is let this dry for about 6 hours and then I would come back, I got gel stain all over it from my hands. I will come back and add a second coat. The first coat is usually very streaky. You'll see some of your undertones in here. It'll be streaky, but your second coat will completely fill that in. And so it's a great way to update a piece of furniture if you don't want to paint it. All you do is clean it and use your gel stain in thin coats, and that's all there is to it. It's going to be absolutely beautiful, and that's how easy it is to update a finished. This is a factory finish. So that's an easy way to update a factory finish. Okay, and this is the walnut. Granted, it just had gel stain on my fingers. This is a walnut. My backdrop wall back here you can see is a gray. This is like pergo flooring. It's a laminate flooring. I actually put a coat of no paint gel stain of walnut on it to turn it from a gray to a brown. And look at that, is no paint gel stain on pergo flooring. So this product is very flexible, very easy to use, and highly pigmented. And that's all there is to it. So use the Dixie Belle applicator pads to apply your gel stain. You can put it over paint. You can put it over a factory finish. You can put it over raw wood. It is that easy to use. The one thing you need to keep in mind is it is oil-based. So I'll be tossing these after using them because I don't want to wash them because, like I said, it's oil-based. When sealing your no paint gel stain, you need to stick with one of Dixie Belle's top coats, the polyacrylic water-based top coats that we have. So Dixie Belle's clear coat in flat, satin, gloss, or even gator hide, you can use those. You do need to wait 3 to 5 days for it to fully dry before you put a sealer on it. I usually recommend waiting the full 5 days, depending on the humidity in your area. You do not want to use a hemp oil or Big Mama's butter. Those products that have to absorb into something to work, you don't want to put those on the no paint gel stain. The no paint gel stain is a gel, it's not porous. So make sure that you are sticking to Dixie Belle's top coat in flat, satin, or gloss, or even Dixie Belle Gator Hide. Those are the top coats that you need to use on top of the no paint gel stain. So hopefully I explained all the options with this and how easy it is to use, and now it's time for you to get out and try the Dixie Belle no paint gel stain, one of my favorite ways to finish the top of a piece. This is Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs. I hope you all have a great day.